And we need, I really believe we need among Minnesotans in our state legislature, and Phong, you will do a great job, I am sure. I want to thank you for your support in being here tonight and supporting him to make sure that he is elected on November 6th, that he goes to the state legislature to represent you. Franny and I had the privilege of going to Laos July 4th, and the July 4th weekend we had a recess, so we went to Laos to make sure that some refugees who had been illegally repatriated from Thailand back to Laos were being properly treated in Laos. And back the Phongkham, the village there, the resettlement village there, and Franny and I traveled to that village to make sure with our ambassador. That was a few months after the ambassador had come here to St. Paul. I brought our ambassador to Laos here, and Phong had been the interpreter and did a wonderful job that day. He is a great leader in your community, and he is going to make a great state senator and contribute not just to his community, your community, but to the greater Minnesota community. Now, I would urge you a couple things, not just to vote for Phong, but also for the other DFLers that, for Sheldon, for Tim, who are on the ballot wherever you live in 67. Also to vote no on the voter ID and on the marriage equality or marriage discrimination amendment. To vote no on those. Voter ID is very important because what the Republicans are trying to do is disenfranchise, to take the vote away from a lot of Americans, from a lot of seniors, from a lot of minority communities, from you, from poor folks. So it's very important that you vote no on both of those. I am fighting in Congress all the time to make sure that our education for our youth, for your youth, is as strong as possible. It's funded. We have a big election coming up November 6th from top to bottom. And it's really important that the values that are reflected, that Phong reflects, that I reflect, prevail on November 6th. So I want to thank you for your support. It's an honor to be here. It's an honor to my wife, Franny, to be here. And I thank you, Phong, for your invitation, and absolutely delighted to be here. So I want to thank you all for your support of Phong, and go get him. We're going to win, and we're going to see Phong in St. Paul. Well, he's going to be in St. Paul anyway, but back in the Capitol. Thank you.
Thank you for your words of wisdom, Mr. Senator.